Hello everyone. So we have given 800 divide 2, 4, 600 divide 2, 3, 400 divide 2, 2, then 300 divide 2 is what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you find and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell here on the channel. So we are daily upload free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So take a look of this resolution of this logical sequence. So 800 divide 2. So in actual 800 divide 2 gives 400, but they eliminate the 0, write only 4 here. So 600 divide 2 is 300, but they write it 3. 400 divide 2 is 200. They give us 2. So similarly, 300 divide 2 is 150. And they write only first two digit, that means divided by 100. So when we divide it by 100, we get 1.5. So what replaces the question mark? 1.5. Comment down below if you already cracked this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.